Huh? I had a couple shows last week.
Yo, bro.
I'm on tour. I had to take 4 planes.
Yo, Sheck, how we don't got it, though. That's what I'm trying. Look.
I think you got it from the gambling spot, huh?
Yo, bro, how we don't
I was outside. They got all these old people coughing and shit. I don't know what's going on.
Yo, bro, they said it sticks on metal for 3 hours.
What?
I touched everything metal.
You can't take the train.
Yo, bro.
You can't drive your car. You can't hop on the plane. You can't. You're gonna need 3 condoms.
Word.
All right.
You know, yeah. Got it.
Tater 9 here. Hey,
you know, got it.
I ain't gonna. I heard you might be able to look at it and catch that.
You could.
All right.
Yo,
all I know
airborne?
is
it's airborne.
You said what?
It's airborne.
Yeah, that's airborne. They say you get that in your eyes, huh? What you talking about? They literally said
wait, so
you
it
get
might
that
be
shit
right
in
here.
your eyes. You said what?
It might be right here.
Nah, CC.
Yo, why
all it is, huh? You go to the barber and cut your hair. He cut it with Corona. You got Corona too, huh?
Yo, wait,
and
why my eye look funny?
Bro, you can't tell if you got it, huh?
Wait,
2 weeks. It take you 2 weeks to know if you got that shit. What's going on? All I know is this is New York, huh? If they shut down, it's gonna be Blackout Part 3. This is gonna be looting.
Yo, that's word. Yo, that's word of my. Yo, that's word of my. Yeah, that's word of my mobile. Yeah, if they. Yeah.
Start looting. Yeah, I'm going to Fight Club. And I'm going to Maserati, Lamborghini on 5th Ave. I'm on West Side Highway. Get mine. Talk about.
Yeah, I look the same.
Anybody on this live, if you go looting, hit me up. What you talking about?
Yo, Sheck, all jokes aside, I look the same on fake changing colors.
Nah, you changing colors, CC. You look a little pale. You turning blue a little bit. I ain't go front. All right. We about to start having to eat roaches and shit, huh? It's about to be over, huh? Sheck, show us your sneaker closet. You really want me to show you my sneaker closet?
Yo, who is that?
That's Bleach Report Kicks. Yo, see, Bleach Report Kicks. You gotta get them up here.
Yo, what up, Bleach Report?
They might have that shit too. What you talking about? All right, I might just have a couple of Coronas and call it a day.
Show your closet.
Show my closet?
Yeah, word. Why? Yo, nah, Sheck. I'm gonna keep it 100. This how I know this live got it. Yo, what they doing in here?
Hold on. Y'all really want to
I got kicks too.
See my closet?
I don't got what you got.
Come on, huh? Don't got these.
Got it, yo. Everything happened on this shit.
Don't got these. Come on, huh? My basketball sneakers, man.
Those all ball kicks?
These all ball these. Only 166 pairs of these. Come on,
what
man.
What size you at?
Yo. Cece, what's going on?
My fault.
What type of question is that, huh?
Yeah, I don't even know. My fault.
Come on, huh? What's going on, man?
Actually, what size
all right. You remember these, all right?
That's a fact.
Don't these neither. All right, I'm gonna stop showing off though.
Nah, go to the outside.
All right. That's all of these right here, man.
Yo, what size
you midnight. These men, yo, what's going on with you, CC?
My fault.
Come on, huh?
My fault, bro.
Panicking. Come on, man.
I ain't here. My fault.
All right. Don't know what these is. All right.
Those is crazy.
Yeah.
What's those?
Those Capitals. Fox talk, man. All right. I got sneakers made out of basketball leather. Come on, man. These 22s, man.
Those all right. Crazy. Yo, what's those ones right there?
Wait, these reverse brands. Wait, these
yo, what size are those?
Yo, Cece, what the come on, huh? Damn, bro. You know you will, all right? Come on, huh? Don't got the Zion Williamsons. Come on, man. These PEs, huh? Come on, man. What's going on? Don't got these. Or these.
Yo.
Come on, man.
Yo, what size are those, Sheck? What size are those, Sheck? Yo, what size are those, Sheck?
This size. What you talking about?
Yo, what the? Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, those is woo. Yo, put it back on the feet. Put it back on the feet. I want to catch the woo part.
Oh, she like the way I dance. She like the way I move. She like the way I rock. She like the way I... Rest in peace, my Pop Smoke, man. Oh yeah, these right here too. These right here is OD.
Stick it up. Throw it back. Fully right.
Huh? EYB Mouter.
Yo, how
Oh, you know my boy Kevin Durant had to come through clutch for these, huh?
Yo, E3 said those black ups is crazy.
Which black ups? You talking about these right here?
Let me see. Yeah.
These pieces, huh? Don't know what this is. These ass piece of baitsters. Come on, huh? E3. Come on, huh? Get this right, E3. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Come on, E3. This is so matter right now.
Yo, check what size are those?
Yo, what the fuck? That's some private. All right.
My fault.
Answer,
Word to my
mother.
my fault, bro. I'm
all right. I just got me some Yeezy. I remember these.
That's the That's the phones. That's the.
I gotta step on sneakers.
Yo, this shit got man.
Undercovers and shit.
Yeah,
Come on,
T3 said put those black ups on.
Stop, bro. I like these shits. These some new shits. All right. Dornbeckers.
Those 14s?
Yeah, Dornbecker 14s.
That's crazy.
All right. Wait, these shits right here. Yeah. Back to the Future Max.
Yo, check what size are those?
These are all right. These are all right. She like the way I dance. She like the way I move. She like the way I rock. She like the way I move. She let it clap for no place. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh yeah, and I got these right next to those shits. Come on, man. Huh? Huh? Yeah, I might have 2 pair of everything about mine. Huh? Oh, you don't got these. Interscopes. Oh, huh? Mars. You should say kind. Don't got these. Cactus in the back.
Yo, my arm hurts.
All right. Or these. Come on,
yo,
man.
Bleacher Report still in here?
Yeah, they still in here.
Because if they not, you can stop.
I'm done.
Because you wilding out right now, bro.
All right. I'm about to.
I keep asking you what size you wear. Word.
I wear 12. Yeah. I wear 12. All right. I wear size 12, y'all. Eat me up. Suck my... we back to January 2019, CC.
All right, so
if you're watching this live right now, suck my dick.
Back on that time.
No cap.
Get back on that time right now.
You said what?
Yo, get back on that time right now.
Everybody that come out here gotta throw Franks. I don't know what's going on. All of this nice going on. All right.
Yeah, you set the tone with the nice. You came up here, started showing sneakers.
They asked me, you see the pin? They say, yo, let's see your closet shit.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna keep it 100. Bro, they got no business in here, bro. It's not.
Come on, huh?
Fair, bro.
Don't get me started with my SBs, man. Come on, man. Come on, Matter.
Yo,
I'm
bro.
humbled.
Bro.
I don't even like doing shit like this.
Yo, Benji, chill out. You bugging out, bro.
Who Ja Benji? What he talking about?
You said we not even doing that.
What he said?
We not doing that. Yo, Ja, chill out though. All jokes aside. You bugging out, Ja.
Yeah. I don't know what Ja Benji said. And I don't know Ja Benji. You know me though. What you talking about?
Nah, he
And my
definitely know
TV
you,
bigger
but
than cars. What you talking about? All praises be to the Most High. Hey,
nah,
Haas,
Ja,
suck
you
my.
saw the wrong person, bro. You bugging out. Not Sheck. You bugging out, Ja.
Who? What he say? What you talking about?
He bugging out. Yo, Ja, all jokes aside, you my man, Sheck my brother, bro. We not doing that.
I don't. What he says, CC.
That's some funny, bro. See, now he got panicking. Tay talking about G and 9 time. See,
He could eat my cup. What you talking about? Cool, wee. Eat cup. Go buy a pack of Nathan's. Eat them raw. What you talking about? Chop them up with hot sauce. What 2GB said? Chop up a whole bunch of franks and eat them. Eat. What you talking about? What you talking about?
yeah.
That chicken to get different.
Yo, Ja.
I'm out of here though, CC.
All right.